Hello, it's Isabel and welcome back to my channel. So you want to learn how to speak with an Australian accent. I don't blame you. It's one of the best accents there is, but it can be done very badly. We have possibly one of the hardest accents to master. A few technical things about our accent. We keep our mouths quite closed as opposed to the American dialect where they keep their mouths quite open, and we go up at the end of sentences like a question. And another thing is that we use a lot of diphthongs, which is two vowels strung together. So these are a few technical things to keep in mind when mastering your Australian accent. Now keep in mind, my accent is probably more on the middle to upper class Australian accent because I did 12 years of speech and drama. I'm a trained actor. I've worked on my voice. So it is more of a neutral Australian accent as opposed to a rural Australian accent, which can be a little bit thicker than my own. So what I'm going to do today is speak the 100 most used words in the English language as dictated by the Oxford English Dictionary. I'll say the word, you repeat. I'll say it again, you repeat, and then we'll move on to the next word. Here we go. The. Be. Two. Of. And. A. In. That. Have. I. It. For. Not. On. With. He. As. You. Do. At. This. But. His. By. From. They. We. Say. Her. She. Or. An. Will. My. One. All. Would. There. And again, there. What? So. So, up, up, out, out, if, about, about, who, get, which, go, me, when, make, can, like, time, no, just, him, no, take, person, into, year, your, good, some, could, them, see, other, than, then, now, look, only, come, it's, over, think, also, back, after, use, two, how, ow, work, first, well, way, even, even, new, new, want, want, because, because, any, any, these, these, give, give, day, day, most, most, us, us. And there we have it, the 100 most used words in the English language in an Australian dialect. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to learn more about filmmaking, acting, and feel free to subscribe and hit the like button, comment below. Happy to help out with any questions you may have. See you next time.